Hello and welcome to another Tech Articles. In today's articles, I've noticed a couple of people asking recently when using an FSE full site editor theme that they don't get the same customization options as they need for the SureMembers post restriction options. So I've set up a quick site here using Spectra for which is an FSE theme, and I've protected some tags using tags, some posts, and I've got an access group that allows that to be protected. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to open a new incognito window, visit the site, and I'm going to head over to the blog and try and open one of the generated blog posts. Okay, be easy just to copy and paste the URL then. We'll just copy and paste this one. We know this one's protected, and we'll just pop that in there, and we get this not very nice looking. This page is protected. You need a membership to view this page. Subscribe now, log in. And the complaint is usually that these aren't buttons, and that's because there's nothing in the style sheet that makes them buttons. So it's a relatively easy fix, and I've uploaded what I'm using here, which is relatively robust, to a GIST, and I'll put a link to it in this case. And in this case, I'm going to use WP Codebox. So over in WP Codebox, I've got this exact snippet of CSS that's going to be in line, and I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to close this down and head back over to my restricted content here, and I'm going to refresh the page. And you'll now see I've got a much nicer looking page. With this page is you need a membership to view, a subscribe now button, and a login button. The same, they work the same they worked before. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head back over to WP Codebox, and we're going to make a few minor changes. So the first thing I'm going to do is reinstate this box shadow, and then I'm going to put a horrible red border around it, and I'm going to fill the inside of that with a horrible green color, and then I'm going to push save. And I'm going to then refresh our page, and then we get a nice green box with a red border and some drop shadow. And this is all fully customizable. Maybe we don't want to display the padlock. We head over to WP Codebox and we find the lock icon, and we can comment that out. Head back over to our page, and the lock is gone. And actually what has happened here is I used the wrong way to hide something in CSS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these, and that should be enough then to fix that. I'm going to go back to our page, and that is now working as it should. So we've got that. Maybe we want to change the color of something. Maybe we want to reinstate our lock for now. And maybe we want to change the color of our buttons, which we can do. So in terms of the default button color, they are blue for background, and that's what we'll do. We'll keep them as a different color. So we'll go with a pinky purple color. Go back to our site, refresh, and now we have pinky purple buttons. We want to change the font color. We can do same as with the hover and active state and focus state, but we want to change the font color. We can do the same. Let's go here and select what do we do? A greeny color, didn't we? So no, purpley color. So this should show up relatively well. This teal. Back again, refresh, and then our teal color is there. When we hover, you can see the teal color is now there, and it's that simple. We have full control over this in the code editor in WP Codebox, and actually WP Codebox is really useful for changing variables to use a color picker and stuff that you don't really get with other programs. And yeah, this is just a quick video to show you how you can use this code to style these items in FSE templates. I'll put a link to the gist with this video, and hopefully this is of use to you. If it is, please do like the video, and if you want to see more videos on SureMembers, Shortcut, automation, WordPress in general, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.